In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clear your CapCut history. So you'll notice here, these are quite a number of videos I've edited using CapCut. If I reduce this, you see it fills up my screen when I minimize. What if I don't want to see all of this? I want a clean slate. Then I'm simply going to come to my corner here. You see, I'm going to click on this and I want it to be list view. And then when it's list view, I can just click and drag and select all of them that I want to delete. I will select these ones too. And even I'll just select all of them. And you can see I'll just toggle this and select all. And then you see this button that comes down here, this pop-up. I'll just click. You can upload them to your CapCut cloud, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to delete all of this. I don't want them to be here. So that's that. I'm deleting. You see now, if I close CapCut and open it back, now I've opened CapCut, you can see I have a clean slate here. I have nothing showing here, just this empty space, and I can start to create my project. So that is how you clear your screen on CapCut. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. God bless you. Peace.